Oh, I agree. Wow.
That trigger point there. Oh, you feel like that?
No kidding. So this guy's a truck driver, and he's what he's talking about right now is being bounced around in that truck, right? And think about, oh god, in that continual compression over time will compress his spine, and so yeah, getting an adjustment is going to open up those discs, open up those nerves, because he is everything he does all day long, the sitting, that compression, it is tough on his spine, and I bet he loves getting adjusted.
That feels good.
Yeah, it feels good.
And you've moved things that haven't been moved in years.
That guy.